Hi friends, welcome on YourPedia, the largest platform where you can prepare for any kind of group task, group discussion, PI, etc. And this video is related to very important GD topic, that is related to political corruption. So how we can do away with political corruption? In case of India, it is even more relevant because India is the largest democracy. We are the most populated nation. Population is maximum, that is number one, and largest democracy in terms of number of people. Now in the democracy, this political power is something which is very strong and very relevant. And if there is a corruption in political circles, then entire democracy is weakened. We have seen of late how corruption, like how the money is being used during elections, or how people are shifting from one political party to another political party. Like recently we saw Aam Aadmi Party 7 MPs of Rajya Sabha shifted over to Bharatiya Janata Party. So what are the repercussions of that? Because whenever these kind of things happen, there is huge money involved also in horse trading also. So political corruption, how we can do away with this? What strong action should be taken? Anti-defection law is there, but we are seeing that anti-defection law, which is mentioned under Schedule 10th of Indian Constitution, related to this kind of changing the political parties. So that has some loopholes. 2/3 members, like out of 10 MPs, 7 is more than 2/3. So if 2/3 MPs shift over to another political party, they can do that, something like that. So we need to do away with these loopholes. We need to make it a point that nobody can shift, something like that, or the punishment should be made more stringent. So political corruption leads to a lack of trust of people on political system, because they are our representative and they run the country and they take good decision for governance. And when people lose the trust on them, then eventually the problem comes. So loss of public trust is one of the main thing. Economic loss also, there is a big economic loss which is happening, because as I told you, horse trading is there. When at the time of election, suppose money is being provided as freebies, then the economic loss, country will not develop, economic development will not be there, governance will be poor, because obviously when political leaders and all will be busy in shifting the political parties and all, and they will not be focusing on the welfare of the people. So law enforcement bodies like ED, CBI and all these bodies, because political leaders are their bosses, so that these organizations also will not be in position to do the work the transparent way. Transparency is very important. So these are some reasons, political corruption. There is a need of stronger action. Constitutional action, like judiciary has to be very strong. So there is check and balance in the government, like executive, legislature and judiciary. So check and balance has to be there. So if something wrong is happening, judiciary should take the action. So that check and balance should be proper, and there should be strong basically punishment if something wrong happens, because if this political corruption is not controlled, then it will eventually kill the democracy in our country, and that will be very dangerous for all of us. So these are some of the points which you can speak, friends, and you can participate in your GD. Thank you.